Welcome to Transtar. Surface cleaning is critical to any auto repair or refinish project. Transtar's Aqua SCAT Waterborne Degreaser is an excellent cleaner that can be used before or after sanding and prior to spraying primer, base coat, or clear coat. Aqua SCAT brings several advantages to the surface cleaning process. It's water-based, a proprietary surfactant blend, precisely balanced with water and alcohol, quickly cuts through inorganic and organic contaminants while still keeping you environmentally compliant. It's anti-static. This keeps dust away from the surface and out of the coating application. It helps with metallic orientation. Controlling static enables proper flake orientation in metallic colors. It can be used on any substrate. Aqua SCAT is effective on metal, OEM E-coat, raw plastic, Unbroken Gel Coat, and existing coatings. Transtar Aqua SCAT 2, available in $13.91 gallon, $13.94 spray bottle. Ready for Aqua SCAT? Visit gettranstar.com for more information or to find a distributor.